Hello guys, welcome to Trending Tube friends. My name is Biswa and in this video I'll be showing a product from Ikea which is Bevara. So this Bevara is something that you can say it's a ceiling clip basically guys. So as you know from the household, in the household this is the most used product. Whenever you open a product and then if you want to again seal it, and there is no particular solution basically except this type of ceiling clips. So it's a box. In the box packaging has around 30 Bevaras. So 30 means 20 small and 10 bigger ones. You see these bigger ones and there are smaller ones as well behind. So the MRP is 139 rupees, but you can get it from Ikea at around 99 rupees, so around 1.5 or $1 US. So when I open this, they have given a plastic box kind of thing as well which can hold this, and as you see this type of products basically these are the clips, right? So you can plug it and then you have to seal this, right? So I'll show you how to do it. So a red color 5 and then blue color as well 5. Let us keep it apart. So again the same smaller ones as I mentioned, 20 small clips, so yellow, pink and then sky color, blue colors. So it is also the same one, but it will be useful for the smaller items, smaller packagings, right? So use the bigger pin here, bigger clip to seal it. So once you seal it, see this is completely airtight, right? So air will not go out. So this is how it is guys. This product is basically very useful product and it will be useful in your daily life for sure. I'll put the product purchase link on the description section. If you want to purchase, you can click on the link and go and purchase. And if you see this same product on your Ikea store, nearby Ikea store, definitely go ahead and purchase it because it will be a useful product on your daily life, okay, daily basis. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. I hope this video is helpful, and if you like the product, definitely give a thumbs up. If you like the video, also give a thumbs up and add comments if you have any queries, and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you, thanks for watching.